Okay, so how to create a video sitemap to send to Google. It should be noted that I'm actually using the embedded media field, and I'm also using the YouTube extension as well for my videos. So the video sitemap, first of all, just to share something with you, I tried doing this just using fused data sources, but unfortunately, because this tag is placed around all the video information, I wasn't able to do that. So I come up with another idea that was inspired by Ben Snyder in a forum post to embed a view inside of you, using some modules that are linked to just below this video. So the idea really is that I've got a view. I'm going to build a view that will show all of this information, and then I'm going to build a second view that will have the header, the URL and the lock tag, and then it will include the first view that we're going to make. So that's basically a short explanation of the method, the idea. So if we go to one of my Drupal sites where I do need to make a video sitemap, hopefully it'll become a lot more clearer to you. So johncampbellmac.com user, I sign in as admin. Okay, so once signed in, I'm going to need to go and enable some key modules. Links to go and get these modules will be, included with this video, just beneath us. And it should also be noted, if you're one of our customers, I shouldn't worry about watching this video. We'll make the sitemap for you. So, things that are going to be needed, if I go right the way down to the bottom to the views, what we're going to need is plain views display, views XML, and then there's one more, views field view. So that's what lets us put the first view inside the second view. Okay, so there I think are all the modules that we're going to be needing. So I'm just going to go and click Save Configuration. Okay, just going to run cron. I always like doing that after installing modules. Okay, good. So I'm going to go and build my first view. So site building, views, add. Now remember that the first view we're going to make is to get all this data out of our Drupal website. So I'm just going to call this view video. View description. Okay, it's going to be node, that's fine. Click next. Annoying. Do underscore next. Okay, so straight away I'm going to add on some filters. Because the only thing that I want to be shown in this is going to be the video content type that I've created. So I'm going to go all node, go down to node type, and also we want only published content. Add is published, update is one of, movie reel page update. Okay, so now I'm going to go down and change some of these settings. So the first thing we're going to want to do is change the style to XML data document update. It's raw XML, it's fine. Root element name, take that out. Okay, I'm going to take that out as well. Plain text output, no. Normal, fine. Nested, fine. Fine. We're going to want to select Fuse API mode, definitely, and is an XML fragment. Update. Incidentally, if you don't see the option for is XML fragment, it's because you haven't applied the patch that's required in order to do that. Just to point that out, you won't see that option if you haven't applied the patch. I'm going to cancel that. Okay, so that's fine. Items to display, set to 0 for unlimited. It's not going to be a big site, so that'd be fine for me. Now I want to get in some fields. Okay, so if we go back to video, Google's guide for creating a video sitemap, I'm going to use this really as for reference in creating these fields. So first of all, let's go to add some fields, and what we're going to want to bring in is the thumbnail image and the video title. Let's pull them in first of all. So add, it's going to be node title, and content, we'd be wanting the video duration, and content video. So add these two. So the first one, content video. So what we're going to want is this label, so I'm going to copy that, custom label, paste that in there. Format, I want path to thumbnail, and that should be okay. Update. And video duration, okay, we're going to want duration in seconds. Custom label, let's go and grab that. Video duration, so copy that, paste that in there. Update. And then we've got the title. Let's go back. Video title, label, video title, we don't want to link it to its node, and that should be okay. Okay, so let's have a look down here and see how we've got on so far. So yeah, that's all looking pretty good. That's a problem that we're still using YouTube's image thumbnail, but that's another story. So we've got a video duration, we've got a video title, so that's looking pretty good. Okay, so I've just added in, I've only added in one extra field, which is the node body, which I've trimmed and removed HTML, stripped out HTML tags. So basically what we've got so far is video thumbnail, so we set that up. Video title, set that up. Video description, that's no body. Video content lock, I'm not going to be using that tag. You have to use either that one or this one. I'm going to use video player lock. Go back here, add in another field, content, video, add, custom label again, video player lock, format, URL to original video. And that should be fine. Hopefully, video player lock done. We've already got video duration, expired, it's not applicable to me. None of these are applicable to me really. Video publication date, that might help, so we put that in. What I'm gonna use is the post date. So add another field, node, post date, add. So we've got label, change to video publication date. Now we're going to want to do custom here, put big Y, little m, little d, or should I say lowercase d, uppercase y, update, and hopefully, fingers crossed, there we go, we've got video publication date in the format that Google want it in, which is year, month and date as described down here. Sorry. Oh, well, here. So that's fine. Okay, so I think I've got publication date. Let's put in all my videos are family friendly. So we'll pop that in. To get that in there, I'm going to add global and add in some custom text. Text will be yes, label will be that. You know, obviously if you've got some videos that are family friendly, some that aren't, then I'd recommend you just add UCCK to you know, note down which ones are which. Then you can use that here, but for me that would be fine. All my videos are family friendly, obviously they're just Drupal videos. Update. So now we should have family friendly, lovely. Okay, let's go back to here, and I think, oh no, this is a good one, video gallery lock. This is, you know, the gallery that all your videos belong to. So I'm going to add that in as well. Global, custom text, add, label, and the URL that I want is the rules page, copy link address. That's obviously a bit different for every site, but I think that should be fine. Update. Video gallery lock. All the videos on this site belong to that same page, so that's fine again for me. But okay, so that's basically it. There's all my defaults set up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a display of plain, add display. I'm and that'll be fine. I'm going to save the view. Oh, I forgot one more thing. This is going to make that much sense at the moment, but I need to add in an argument of node ID. Node ID. Because my second view is going to pass the argument to this view. Okay. And that should be fine. One thing I'm going to do actually is quickly reorder the these fields, just so that it's exactly what Google specify. Okay, so that's then reordered. Okay, and save. And that's the first view done, I'm pretty sure. Now what we're going to want to do is go and create the second view. View name, site video sitemap. View video sitemap. Click next, that'll be fine. Okay, so defaults here. So first of all, style on XML data document, update. Root element name. Copy that without the brackets, copy and paste. Top level child URL. I think pretty much all the other settings are pretty good to go. Just click update for a second. Now filters, going to do the same filters as the previous view. Node, type, published, is published, is a movie rule page, update. Now we need to get some fields. So for this view, remember all this information is coming in from the first view that we made. In this view, all that we really need to get in now is the lock, which is the node path on your site. So fields, add node path, add label is lock, use an absolute link, update. Okay, so that's that. And now what we need to do is add our view that we created a moment ago. So we go global view, add. Movie rules is not it, it's video, that's the one that we created. Label, now that is going to be video. So update. Then you have to go back in again. display plain. I forgot one step. I need to pass an argument to it, so I'm just going to update that for a minute. And I need to add in node ID, add, and we can exclude that from display. Update. Now I need that before the global view. Update. Now let's go back to the global view. Let's pass the argument to it of node ID. Update. I think we should be pretty good to go. Yeah, pretty good to go. Okay, so now we're going to need, it's obviously a page, so let's add that display page XML document. Let's give it a path. I'm just going to call it video dash sitemap.xml. Update that. Don't need a menu item, and let's save it. Now if we view page, hopefully, hey presto, we have a video sitemap. And that's basically how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it didn't go on too long. It's quite a complex thing to try and explain. Thanks for watching.